What is going on, everyone? It is Mark here with another video, and today we are taking a look at another phone case. No, not just a regular phone case. This one has a little bit of a little personality to add to your phone. So today we are going to be taking a look at a phone case called the Shuttercase. What my very brief understanding of this phone case is to bring that traditional camera kind of feel and click to your smartphone. So taking a look at the front of the box, of course you have what the actual case is going to look like. Shuttercase Pro Camera Handle. So this is the caveat here. It also is embedded with a 3000 milliamp hour power bank. So yes, you can charge your phone on the go. And unique mechanical shutter button. The world's first modular phone case for photo lovers and Instagrammers. Did you hear that? For Instagrammers. Anyways, so that's pretty much the box. Let's get into it. Off to the side here, Shuttercase user manual. You guys know how we like to do it here. We don't read those, and there it is. You can very quickly see how modular it can be just by taking a look at it. Anyways, we'll just put that off to the side there. There's other stuff in the box. I guess this is the bread and butter of the whole situation here. So you're gonna have the actual handle here, the Shuttercase. You're gonna have an alternative handle, which kind of just flattens everything up. Micro USB, and you've got two of these what they call thumb rests. I don't know what the difference is. They look, maybe one's a little bit thicker. These are somewhat critical to the operation here. So this right here is everything you'll need to make this thing kind of work. But before we get into putting it all together, let's take a look at the Shuttercase itself. So this is the black version. There's multiple variations of colors. So the biggest thing you'll notice here is the actual rail system. That is what you're going to be using to slide on the actual handles here. And then right beside that, this is where the money maker is, if you will. This is the actual shutter. Taking a look at the actual mechanism of how this actually works, if you actually press the shutter, you are hitting the down volume toggle on your iPhone. And like all of us know, you can actually take photos not by just tapping the screen, but actually hitting the volume down button. Anyways, so that's what's going on here. Okay, so you put your phone in very simply. Oh, it's a pretty snug fit. Very happy with that. This thing can go. I mean, it adds added protection. So the phone's in the case now, and now you're left with the Shuttercase handles and the thumb buttons and thumb rest. I say we just go ahead, put the larger Shuttercase handle there, and you'll actually notice that there's a lightning port there at the bottom. This is going to be used to actually plug into your phone and yes, charge your device. So let's go ahead and do that. So here you go, you slide it in. There you go, and is my phone charging? And as you notice, yes, Siri, I accidentally summoned you. And if you take a look, it is charging. So not only can you know, wow, that actually feels very, very nice. Okay, we'll talk about that in a second, but yes, you are charging your phone on the go with this handle. Okay, so the last little attachment that we have to put in here is, of course, a thumb rest. Of course, is there to prevent you from hitting funny buttons with your thumb. Okay, we've got the camera open, and just holding it with one hand, this feels much more natural, much more camera-like than holding just your iPhone. This actually is meant to, I guess, to replicate the shape of a DSLR. Just kind of give you a nice little handle there. This is actually really, really nice. I mean, it's definitely not for everyone. You can't put this in your pocket by no means, which is why they've included this little thinner one. But yeah, wow, that actually feels great. Oh, did you hear that? That is very satisfying to click. Anyway, here's a real situation. You're downtown, you're taking a few photos, you know, you're snapping pics with a very satisfying click. Very satisfying. And you're done. And your phone's at 100% because it's been charging all day because you've got it plugged in. Now you're ready to kind of, you know, relax, go out for dinner, start answering some emails on your phone. You can type, of course, like this, but it is not the world's most comfortable situation. So guess what? You unplug, you very simply slide down, and then you lock everything up with your thinner case. And there you go. You're back to kind of a much more normal situation going on here. Case-wise, it is of course a little bit bulkier because that rail does still exist, but by no means is it intrusive. It slides very easily into your pocket, nothing too crazy. This is just like a little bit of a thicker case, and then you're done dinner, you're done answering those emails. Guess what? Guess what's sliding down? This is, boom, here we go, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. Bob is your uncle. There you go, locked in place, your thumb rest comes in, and now you're back to taking those satisfying photos. Anyways, so that's the Shuttercase. I'm definitely not gonna have this on me at all times because I don't take that many photos. I'm much more of a caseless kind of guy. But you know, this exists. This has a purpose. This does what it promises very, very well. If you're interested in taking photos, if you're interested in that kind of DSLR experience, kind of making it a much more enjoyable process, taking photos on your smartphone, this for sure is the way to go. Plus, this is an added benefit. You're getting juiced up all day while using it. Anyways, I hope you liked that video. I'd like to take a quick second just to thank the guys over at Shuttercase for sending a few of these samples out for me to test out. You guys delivered exactly what you promised, a DSLR experience for your smartphone. Anyways, I hope you liked that video. If you did, please hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below. For additional brownie points, please follow me on all my social media. Links can be found down in the description. But for now, thank you, and I will see you on the next one.